This, you're gonna have to come to the front of the RV, the front part. And what you want to do, I believe, you want to, instead of turn this on at cool, push it down to heat. That should come on. And I believe you can set your temperature here. I do not know if this also controls it or not, but go ahead and kind of put it to the desired temperature. I don't know which one. Maybe this is for AC and this is for the heater, or it does both. I'm actually gonna have to play with that. This is the our first, you know, go at it. You know, we just got the RV too, so I did turn it on, but I didn't mess with the temperature. So whatever you need, you need maximum both out. I don't know, maybe that'll get them both going. If it's too hot, lower both of them, and I'm sure one of these is gonna control it. Okay, and make sure that's at gas heat. Okay, and what's gonna happen is that you're gonna hear underneath the refrigerator some motors turning on and blowing air, and the heaters can come out of the vents from the floor, and it should turn on the propane for that. Okay, we should have our propane already turned on. Let me show you where that is, just in case. I don't know. We will have this taken care of for you, so you don't have to deal with this. And let's see. There we go. There's the propane, and it should be turned on already. So it's already loose. It's already on, and you should have propane flowing through it already. And these are the extended ones, so we want to connect an external gas tank to it, just in case this is empty. We need a backup. We do that here, and then we will have a propane grill. You can feed propane out of here. Okay. Alright. And that's pretty much it. And I'll show you how to use a stove.